With Renewal by Andersen's augmented reality technology, it's fun and never been easier to begin your replacement window project from the comfort of your own home. From the Renewal by Andersen Augmented Reality webpage, select the product you'd like to see, then tap the Augmented Reality icon in the bottom right corner. Next, find a well-lit space and point your device at a large, flat surface. You'll get better results on textured surfaces than on smooth, reflective surfaces. Be sure to keep your target centered while slowly moving your device in an arced path. Use one finger to move the window around. Anchor one finger while sliding with another to rotate the window. Use a pinch gesture to scale the size. And double tap to reset the image. It's that easy. Want to take the next step? Schedule a free consultation. Your design consultant can help you explore hundreds of additional style, color, and size combinations with our exclusive in-home Real View augmented reality. Together, you'll find the perfect replacement windows for you and your home.